Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at one of the most luxurious and powerful camper conversions of the future, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper. This vehicle is built for travelers who want comfort, class, and capability all in one stunning package. The exterior immediately stands out with its bold and premium presence. GMC kept the solid Savana DNA, but elevated it with limo-style sophistication. The extended body features chrome accents, a high roof silhouette, and tinted privacy windows that give it a VIP look. LED matrix headlights, 20-inch alloy wheels, and a sleek aerodynamic front fascia complete the upscale design. With a fully electric sliding door and a power awning, convenience meets elegance the moment you step near it. Inside, the limo camper feels like stepping into a private executive suite. Plush captain seats wrapped in premium leather offer heating, cooling, massage, and full recline functions. Soft ambient lighting, handcrafted wood trims, and luxury ceiling panels create a warm, upscale atmosphere. The lounge area at the back converts into a queen-size bed with the touch of a button. Entertainment is top tier with a 4K smart TV, surround sound system, built-in Wi-Fi, and a digital control panel for lighting, climate, and seat adjustments. The kitchenette includes a mini fridge, induction stove, microwave, and stainless steel sink, making it perfect for long journeys or overnight stays. Under the hood, the 2026 Savana Limo Camper is powered by a 6.6-liter V8 paired with a hybrid assist system. This combination delivers smooth power, excellent fuel efficiency, and impressive towing capability. The adaptive suspension ensures a comfortable ride on highways and long-distance routes, while the upgraded transmission provides seamless performance in various driving conditions. Beyond performance, there's more working behind the scenes. The integrated power management system features a lithium battery pack and rooftop solar panels that keep the entire cabin running efficiently. From the lighting and entertainment system to the kitchenette and climate control, everything functions through solar-assisted energy. An onboard inverter lets you charge devices, run appliances, and stay powered even while off-grid. With this setup, the Savana Limo Camper can operate independently for days without needing external power. When it comes to pricing, this luxury on wheels starts at around $125,000. Fully loaded configurations with extended batteries, upgraded interiors, and advanced automation can go up to $160,000 or